Hi friends, this video shows how to do factory data reset and erase all data. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, go to system, tap here. Tap on reset options. Tap on erase all data or factory reset. Then tap on erase all data. You should be careful because this operation will delete all data from your phone, including your photos, videos, contacts, apps, messages, everything. If you are okay with that, you can tap on erase all data. Then tap on this button, erase all data. So that way we can erase all data. So this way we can do factory data reset. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.